let's talk about the politics that's happening in the country. The battle for Uttar Pradesh hasn't even officially begun, but the first political contest is already underway. Within the India alliance itself, what started as a discussion over seat sharing has now escalated into a war of words between the Congress and the Samajwadi Party. That's right. The allies are fighting it out because the Congress party is demanding a bigger role in UP, while the Samajwadi Party is asking some Congress leaders to know their limits. So the latest flashpoint came after Congress leaders asserted that as a national party, the Congress deserves an equal share of seats in Uttar Pradesh. The Congress MP Manoj Kumar, however, struck a more conciliatory note, saying the issue of seat sharing can be resolved through flexibility, expressing confidence that Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Akhilesh Yadav and other senior leaders would sit together and then reach at a consensus.
मैं समझता हूं कि हमारे बराबर की हिस्सेदारी होनी चाहिए और हम बड़ी पार्टी है, पूरे देश की राष्ट्रीय पार्टी है। आज पूरा देश कांग्रेस पार्टी की तरफ देख रहा है। हम इंडिया गठबंधन को मजबूत कर रहे हैं, गठबंधन मजबूत बने और बराबर की सम्मान और हिस्सेदारी बराबर हो।
मेरी राहुल गांधी जी से अपील है कि मेहरबानी करके ये जो छुटभइये नेता हैं, इनकी वाणी पर विराम लगना चाहिए। कुछ लोग अपनी सीमा को भूल गए हैं और हम लोगों को जमीनी हकीकत के आधार पर बात करनी चाहिए। क्या स्थिति है, मैं समझता हूँ इस समय ज्यादा टीका टिप्पणी करना वातावरण को बिगाड़ना है। समझौते की जो संभावना उनको समाप्त करना है। कांग्रेस और समाजवादी पार्टी मिलकर चुनाव लड़ेगी, लेकिन बेहतर ये हो कि तमाम लोग, कांग्रेस के लोग जो अपनी मर्यादा को जानते नहीं हैं, अपनी सीमा को नहीं जानते हैं, वो इस प्रकार की टीका टिप्पणी करते हैं। इससे माहौल खराब होता है, ठीक नहीं होता।
जननायक राहुल गांधी जी और हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी, अखिलेश यादव जी सब मिलके बैठेंगे और डिसीजन हो जाएगा। अलायंस को यदि मजबूत बनाना है तो सबको दो कदम आगे पीछे करके और अलायंस को मजबूत बनाना चाहिए। और ये जो परिवेश है, मैं आग्रह करना चाहूंगा अपने जितने भी सीनियर लीडर हैं, इंडिया गठबंधन के अलायंस जितने भी लीडर्स हैं यूपी में, मेरा आग्रह यही होगा कि ये जो सिचुएशन है, आप मतलब सीट से ऊपर उठें, लेकिन हाँ, सभी को सम्मानजनक सीट मिलना चाहिए और सम्मानजनक सीट के साथ सबको आगे बढ़ना चाहिए।
UP के लड़के, that's how Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav were describing themselves. But it looks like ahead of the UP elections, all is not well. And my colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, is it the same story for the Congress party and an ally playing out in another state? We've seen that happen in Tamil Nadu. We've seen that happen in Maharashtra previously. And now in UP, tell us how this entire bitterness between the allies actually started.
Well, Pratibha, things are not looking good between the Congress party and the Samajwadi Party because the official talks between both the political parties have not started yet, but the controversy have started to come into light because it started with Rajendra Pal Gautam, the new AICC in charge of the state of Uttar Pradesh. He made a statement stating that both Samajwadi Party and the Congress party equal seats should be distributed between both the political parties. Now, after that, the Samajwadi Party didn't take the statement quite kindly. In fact, Samajwadi Party veteran leader and Rajya Sabha MP Ramji Lal Suman, he said that these leaders should exercise refrain before making any statement, and they should know their limit before making such tall claims. And he says that the Congress should understand the ground reality first before making such claim, and if they go on doing commentary, then it's going to only spoil the atmosphere and also hamper the relationship between the Samajwadi Party and the Congress party. And he directly requested Rahul Gandhi to intervene, and he urged Rahul Gandhi to speak with his leaders from the state of Uttar Pradesh and tell them to not make such statements in the near future. But Samajwadi Party also said that both Congress and the SP would fight the polls together, but not on the terms of the Congress party. So clearly the Samajwadi Party making it clear that there are no chance or no possibility when it comes to equal seat sharing, because in the last poll in the state of Uttar Pradesh, we had seen that the Congress fought on 105 seats, the Samajwadi Party fought on 290 seats. Now, as per the Congress sources, the Congress party will be demanding for around 150 seats, not less than that is what I'm learning from the Congress sources. process, but things will get interesting once the official talks of alliance start between both these political parties.
Okay, all right. So now, even before the talks have begun, we're seeing differences. To stay with us, Sabyasachi, we have national spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawalla, on the phone line with us. And Shehzad, is it the same story in another state for the Congress?
The Congress party has become a parasite. So it uses and throws all the regional parties. You know how many seats they took in Bihar. RJD को use and throw किया, NCP Sharad Pawar, UBT Sena, recently DMK has been used and thrown. So Samajwadi Party was already alert, but now the new chief of UP Congress, he has said, Prabhari has said that we want to fight 50-50 seats, Rajendra Pal Gautam. So immediately Samajwadi Party has shown the mirror to the Congress. Basically, राजनीतिक शब्दों में कहे तो हैसियत दिखा दी. And even before this, अखिलेश जी has said कि 403 सीट पर तैयारी रखो. ये सीट की बात नहीं, ये जीत की बात है. And Samajwadi Party has already learnt its lesson from TMC and DMK. So they have given a reality check. But Congress is a vulture party. It's a party that wants to, use the vote bank of the allies and, and then exploit them and throw them away. So therefore, I think that this is a fight between the India Alliance partners, which we have seen even recently in the India Alliance meeting. They have no mission. It is only jhagda for position. And because of this jhagda for position, there is division and confusion. So this is being played out once again.
Okay, all right, Shehzad, thank you for joining us. Differences within the allies, same story being repeated. That's what the BJP is alleging, saying we've seen that happen multiple times, and also citing what the Prime Minister had once said, that the Congress party seems to have become a parasite, eating away the vote bank of the allies. We have more breaking updates now coming in. Amid this fight that's playing out between the Congress as well as the Samajwadi Party, the words only now seem to be escalating. And it's now reached social media, with Samajwadi Party leader IP Singh launching a sharp attack on the Congress, accusing it of historically weakening the regional parties. In a post on X, he said that the Samajwadi Party is fully prepared to contest all 403 assembly seats if required, questioning the Congress's organizational strength in the state as well. Let's go across to my colleague Akanksha, who is getting us the details of the attack from IP Singh. And Akanksha, IP Singh is not just any other leader. He's one of the senior most leaders of the Samajwadi Party. What is he saying?
Absolutely. In fact, the Samajwadi Party has taken a jibe at the Congress party. Let me take you through what IP Singh of Samajwadi Party has said on this. He said that respected Netaji used to say that Congress is the biggest enemy of the regional parties. Even today, the statement proves too on many occasions. The split in TMC and Shiv Sena recently may have been done by the Bharatiya Janata Party, but the politics of Congress leadership, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, they have weakened the regional parties. In 2022, Congress won only one seat. So that is a jibe at the Congress party, saying that in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, the Samajwadi Party will have to contest all seats. They've kept their pawns forward for grandstanding to spoil the atmosphere. Who has stopped Congress from contesting on 403 seats? The Samajwadi Party's preparation are complete for all the seats. These Congress folks do not know the names of the 4 districts presidents, and nor do they recognize them. Note to the Congress parties that the split will be in the Congress party, and at that time, even Congress's symbol will slip from their hands. So this is how the Samajwadi Party has taken a jibe at the Congress party, and we're talking about the India Alliance partner here.
Okay, Akanksha, thank you for joining us. Let's take this back to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, is this how the allies will be talking about the seat sharing? Because as of now, the poll bugle has not been sounded, but clearly there is some bitterness. And unfortunately, the Congress has witnessed it time and again. With this kind of bitterness seen with the leadership in the party, it is going to trickle down to the workers of the party, the ground level workers in the state.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. See, the Samajwadi Party, under these circumstances, they are also going to look at the result in the state of Bihar, where the Congress was in partnership with the RJD, and how many seats did the Congress win. See, Uttar Pradesh, in the last poll also, though Samajwadi Party and the Congress fought together, Samajwadi Party on 298 seats, the Congress Party on 105 seats. But Pratibha, there were certain seats where there was friendly fights between the Samajwadi Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party. And in these seats, the advantage clearly went to the Bharatiya Janata Party. So when it comes to Samajwadi Party, they are going to definitely put all the arithmetic together. What's going to be better for them under the present circumstances, and based on that, they are going to put out the numbers, because Akhilesh Yadav already have said on record that they are eyeing for 403 seats. As far as Congress is concerned, the Congress sources tell us that they are not going to settle less than 150 seats. So if at all there is once again a friendly fight between the Samajwadi and the Congress Party once again in the state of Uttar Pradesh, then the benefit will straight away go to the Bharatiya Janata Party. And if you talk about the India Alliance, definitely there are cracks, whether if you talk about several of the regional parties, the DMK, the CPIM, though Trinamool Congress right now have extended their hand of friendship to the Congress Party, but things are not looking good as far as the India Alliance is concerned.
Yes, absolutely. Stay with us, Sabyasachi. In fact, we have more updates now coming in. First, it was the leaders openly talking to the media. Then it reached social media. Now the war of words over UP seat sharing is getting even sharper. After the Congress Party pushed for a bigger stake in the alliance, the Samajwadi Party has now issued a public word of caution. The Rajya Sabha MP, Ramji Lal Suman, has appealed to Rahul Gandhi to ask some of the Congress leaders to exercise restraint, saying that these public statements are only complicating the negotiations further, saying some leaders seem to have forgotten their limits.
मेरी राहुल गांधी जी से अपील है कि मेहरबानी करके ये जो छुटभइये नेता हैं, इनकी वाणी पर विराम लगना चाहिए। कुछ लोग अपनी सीमा को भूल गए हैं और हम लोगों को जमीनी हकीकत के आधार पर बात करनी चाहिए। क्या स्थिति है मैं समझता हूं, इस समय ज्यादा टीका टिप्पणी करना वातावरण को बिगाड़ना है, समझौते की जो संभावना उनको समाप्त करना है। कांग्रेस और समाजवादी पार्टी मिलकर चुनाव लड़ेगी, लेकिन बेहतर ये हो कि तमाम लोग, कांग्रेस के लोग जो अपनी मर्यादा को जानते नहीं हैं, अपनी सीमा को नहीं जानते हैं, वो इस प्रकार की टीका टिप्पणी करते हैं। इससे माहौल खराब होता है, ठीक नहीं होता।
So, Sabyasachi, this seems to be just the beginning, because now the leaders have started speaking to the media and have been taking open digs at each other. And then you have a message that has come in on social media as well. Of course, IP Singh is somebody who has criticized Rahul Gandhi as well on multiple previous occasions. There have been occasions where even Akhilesh Yadav has taken a dig at Rahul Gandhi. But the question is, has the Congress High Command taken note because of these differences? That seems to be the message that has come in from Samajwadi Party as well, that ensure that your leaders don't make any such statements and complicate the issue further. Has the Congress High Command taken note?
See, definitely the Congress Party High Command would have taken note about the current development, because the official talks between the Samajwadi Party and the Congress has not started yet. And before the talks could begin, there is controversy happening between both the political parties, where the Congress new state in charge, Mr. Rajendra Pal Gautam, coming out and saying that there should be 50-50 distribution of seats between the Congress and the Samajwadi Party. And the Samajwadi Party clearly declining the statement. They are saying that based on the ground realities, the seat will be distributed. And Mr. Ramji Lal Suman clearly called out Mr. Rahul Gandhi and said that he should control his own leaders before they make such statement.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi, thank you for getting us all those details. We will come back to you for those updates. But for now, viewers, it's time for us to slip into a short break. Thank you for watching.